Camry. Hey, what's up you guys? It's King Camry. Welcome back to a new video. Today we got every single exhaust setups for your Toyota Camry. If you're in the market trying to find something to your likes, you may find something in this video. These are all the exhaust setups that are out there on the market currently for the Toyota Camry, and you will also be seeing some custom setups. So I hope you guys find this video extremely helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe. We are now doing weekly videos, and this is a dedicated Toyota Camry channel. Only Toyota Camry videos. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you find something that you like. Thank you so much, you guys. Enjoy.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Let's go! Holy! Oh!